The Clarke Contractor CONSN18LIC is a high-quality cordless stapler and nailer. It is perfect for stapling and nailing into soft or hard wood and is powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery. Ideal for upholstery and general DIY use, it can fire 18-gauge nails of 20 to 50 mm length. Alternatively, staples from 19 to 40 mm can be used. The simple-to-load magazine has a capacity of up to 100 fasteners. Nails and staples can be driven at an average speed of 60 per minute or 1 per second, and the 2 amp-hour battery will allow 400 shots per charge. The battery may be charged from flat in approximately 45 to 60 minutes. It is possible to bump fire nails and staples using the contact firing mode, which allows for more convenient operation in some circumstances. A depth adjustment wheel permits you to correctly set the depth of the nail heads, depending on their length and the hardness of the wood. Weighing just 2.96 kilograms, the Clarke CONSN18LIC is supplied with a battery, charger and a convenient carry case. It will give you many years of reliable stapling and nailing.